Kick back your heels and relax in Bangalore with fun activities to explore at leisure. I'm your host Riz Gautam, here to help you plan the most fun outings with family and friends. Eat at a bookstore, cafe, spend time in nature and enjoy some thrilling water rides. Explore parks where learning meets fun. As we show you some offbeat places in Bangalore. Jayaprakash Narayan Biodiversity Park is one of the biggest parks in the North Bangalore. This sprawling green space has over 20,000 varieties of exotic plants and over 250 varieties of trees and shrubs. You can find rare migratory birds in the 4 lakes located at JP Park. The Rock Garden is a beautiful spot. Definitely try the acupressure walk park here walking barefoot. I find it soothes my aching feet. It feels wonderful. The unique thing about the trees here are some of them planted according to the sun sign. I found my sun sign Sagittarius, Arli Mara. Find your sun sign and find your tree.
In the heart of the park, there is a pond full of Indian magur fish, always fighting for food during the feeding time.
The park has its own jogging track and lakes that are great spots for picnic.
There are a lot of attractive structures and concepts in the park, including life-size dolls of farmers, laborers and cattle, all in keeping with Jayaprakash Narayan's ideology.
Bangalore has always been a great city for trees and flowers. Lal Bagh alone houses India's largest collection of tropical plants. Come at sunrise and you will be amazed to see half of Bangalore out here on the pleasant walkways, breathing in the fresh air of this sprawling botanical garden. It has one of the oldest rock formations on Earth, dating back to 3,000 years, half as old as the continent itself. Walk into Bangalore's very own Crystal Palace, the Glass House, inspired by a historic one in London's Hyde Park and built in the honour of the visit of the Prince of Wales. This is also the spot where the famous annual flower shows are held on January 26th and August 15th. Be sure to mark it in your calendar. Lumbini Gardens is a unique amusement park for the entire family. The park here has a beautiful sunset view over Nagawara Lake. With boats, toy trains and amusement rides guaranteed to thrill, you are sure to see a smile on your kid's face. The place has a holiday feel to it. It's nice to stand facing the lake surrounded by happy families. The only floating restaurant in Bangalore at Lumbini Gardens, the Golden Pearl, with great buffet options. Atagallata in Koramangala is a unique bookstore cafe where you can read to your heart's content over a cup of coffee and some yummy baked treats. A creative space spread over 2 floors, the top floor is dedicated to the performing arts, while the bookstore and cafe are on the first floor. It's a great venue for exciting workshops, book launches, music and theatre performances. The collection of books is also amazing. You can curl up with the book in one of their comfy chairs without getting raised eyebrows. It is so accommodating that you can just sit and read in this bookstore. A great place to relax and spend a pleasant evening. Do check out the posters on the second floor if there is an event happening. Weekends are always busy with exciting events to suit all ages and groups. Stay tuned for more updates for Bangalore City on TGF, the guiding factor. Please do subscribe to our channel and comment below. We would love to hear from you.